Refraction of light. The bending of a ray of light when it passes from one medium to another medium is called the refraction of light. There is big difference between the reflection and refraction. Reflection, there is no change in medium. Light strike on the mirror, light is traveling from the air and it is bent again towards the same medium air. Medium is not changing, light is bending, it is a reflection. But in the refraction, if light is traveling from air to water, when it enters from air to water, it bends. This phenomenon is known as the refraction. तो एक चीज आपको ध्यान रखनी है, रिफ्लेक्शन में भी बेंडिंग होती है, रिफ्रैक्शन में भी बेंडिंग होती है. रिफ्लेक्शन में बेंडिंग सेम मीडियम में होती है और रिफ्रैक्शन में मीडियम चेंज हो जाता है. नाउ here you are supposed to know when the light travels from red medium to dense medium, it bends towards the normal. This is the normal. And when the light travels from dense to red medium, it moves away from the normal. This is the incident ray. This is the 90-degree angle. It is normal. Angle between the incident ray and normal is known as the angle of incidence I. And angle between the refracted ray and normal, it is known as the angle of refraction R. So here this is angle of incidence. Here this is angle of refraction. So you should know very well, if the light is traveling from rare to denser medium, angle I is greater than angle R. The reason is that जब भी light rare से dense medium में जाएगी, it will bend towards the normal. Similarly, when the light is traveling from denser to rare medium, then you will say angle R is greater than angle I. Ray will bend away from the normal when it travels from the denser to rare medium. You can see the animation. In the left hand side animation, it is visible to all of you. Light is traveling from air to glass. When it is traveling from air to glass, it is bending. In the right side animation, it is visible to all of you. The light is traveling from air to water or any liquid. When it is traveling from one medium to another medium, it is bending. This phenomenon of bending of the ray of light is known as the refraction of light. Cause of refraction of light. The refraction of light occurs because light travels with different speed in different media. Speed of light is different in air, speed of light is different in glass, speed of light is different in water, and so on. So when a ray of light passes from one medium to another medium, except angle of incidence 0 degree, it always bend, or you can say there is change in speed. This is the main reason of the refraction. Laws of refraction. First law, the incident ray, refracted ray and normal all lie in the same plane. If it is a plane, the incident ray, this is the ray which is incident on the, it is traveling from air to glass, and this is the refracted ray, and this is the normal 90 degree at the point of incidence. All lie in the same plane. Second law, the ratio of sine of angle of incidence means sine I to the sine of angle of refraction sine R is constant. This law is also known as Snell's law of refraction, and it is true for the angle of incidence should be greater than 0 degree and less than 90 degree. So this ray is traveling from the rare to dense medium because it is traveling from air to glass. So it is bending towards the normal. This is the angle of incidence. This is the angle of refraction. So ratio of the sine I upon sine R is constant, and this constant is also known as a refractive index. Condition for no refraction. First condition we have discussed, when angle of incidence is equal to 0 degree, there is no refraction. Suppose I say this is the air and this is glass. When the light is striking along the normal, so incident ray is same, normal is same, so we will say angle of incidence is 0. And practically we will see this light will not bend even medium is changing, but it will pass straight or undeviated. So first condition, when there is no refraction, there is angle of incidence is 0, or you can say ray incident normally. So whenever the ray incident normally, and that situation angle of incidence is 0, so angle of refraction will be also 0 and ray will remain undeviated. Second condition, when the refractive index of two medium are same. If I say light is traveling from medium 1 to medium 2, but both the medium are having the same refractive index, then this light will remain undeviated, or it will pass like this, it will not bend in any direction. So these are the two conditions. There is for this no refraction.